Hey everybody, what's going on? Hope you guys are doing good. I am doing just great. So here is the Wilkinson Telecaster body, and right now the front of it's not looking so great, but the back of it really looks good, including the sides. So this is a thin coating of epoxy resin, so I'm using that as my sealer. This will all get sanded down, and I haven't done anything with it because it's been kind of just sitting here hanging around curing. You see the binding a lot better now. And yeah, it's going to look really, really nice when it gets done. But this is not what the video is about, so let me put this off to the side. This is what the video is about. So let me get this box open and check out what the new arrival looks like, or what it is. Now this came from California. So it was a U.S. seller, not a U.S. product, but U.S. seller from California warehouse. And yeah, so let's open this up. All right, I thought there'd be some kind of styrofoam inside of here. Well, and again, garbage. This one's even thinner. This patch cord is even thinner than the last one. Wow. Yeah, so toss that out and pull this out. This looks really, so far from what I can see, it looks really nice. Alright, let's get this box out of here. Alright, so let's get unwrapping over here and see what's going on. Now this is another signature model guitar, I guess you want to call it. And I'm just going to start tearing into this thing. I'm not going to sit there and play around with trying to get this out, and I can't even grab it to tear it out. Little gel pack over here. That's very nice. Another gel pack over here. Oh yeah, another SG. And if you can't tell what signature or who this guitar is signatured after, then there's really something wrong with you. Again, to get through customs, look at that. These guys were smart. Let me go ahead and remove that decal. I know what's going to be under it, and I'm sure you do too. Of course. Yep, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. Alright, so let's take a look at the back of this thing since you've seen the front of it. Again, serial number, not made in USA. Pretty nice figuring in the wood. Got your neck joint, looks pretty good. Everything actually looks pretty nice. Looks like the controls here are like a little bit tighter together. Three-way switch, output jack, humbucker pickups, pneumatic bridge. Get this off. Still has the plastic on everything. Now, if you could tell by the lightning bolts on the neck, this is an Angus Young from AC/DC. Kind of like a signature guitar for him. And this will be another one that's added to the collection that's going on the walls once I get the theater room the way that I want it set up. And yeah, out of tune, which is nice. Let's see. Again, these frets are actually, let me get my glasses on. Huh. The frets are rounded on the edges. And there is, the fretwork on here is actually really, really nice. This looks like it is a one-piece neck because this is a transparent red. Does not look like there is a heel, a piece over here at the heel. They actually have done a fantastic job with this. I really am impressed with the craftsmanship of this guitar. Huh. Well, these Chinese are getting to be a little bit more and more surprisingly better at their work. Alright, so I've got the Jimmy Page, I got the Tony Iommi, and I have the Angus Young right now. Next that's coming is kind of a real special one, at least to me. It's somebody that you guys all know. Very, very famous, great guitar player. Too bad his life was shortened by a certain type of a crash. But I have that guitar coming next. And yeah, let's see if it's the same quality or even as good as what I've been receiving so far. So I want to get all this plastic off of everything. And yeah, not bad. Alright guys, so this is the third wall hanger, and that's what they are. They are wall hangers. They're not like anything spectacular, special, or anything like that. They just have a certain meaning to me personally, as far as the artists of the guitars that used similar, not exact, similar body style, shape, and design. So, all right, you guys, take it easy, have a good one, and I'll catch up with you all later.